I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care.
What is going on, guys? It's Toby here and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today we've got something special right here. We're going to be installing a wicker bill from Eos on Sully. So a lot of people have been requesting this. This is going to look absolutely insane, and the whole reason why I want to run a wicker bill on this car is because of John's Scott Drake wicker bill. We were messing around with it and I decided, you know what, this is going to look insane on the car, so we're going to install it.
It actually has screws along with some 3M tape, so we're just going to get it all prepped up. I probably won't lay that much on the actual wing part. I'll probably do it in the middle just so it doesn't lift a little bit, and then have it depend on the 2 screws to really hold it down. I actually have 2 trunk holes here from the ZL1 wing, so let's see if that's going to line up there anywhere. Maybe? Yeah, it does. So it lines up with the 2 outer ones. We'll just bolt it down in those 2 areas. If you're wondering, yes, I poked these holes myself or drilled them in with a drill, because those are not my factory holes. These are the factory holes right here, covered up by the pop clips. And then you have 2 more here for the ZL1 wing. So we'll mount it here and here. I gotta film it. So we got one side threaded on there. Gonna do the same thing, just stick the screw through the back side and then line it up with where it's gonna go in. One of these that I'm tightening down right now actually is a factory screw hole. So this one's a factory screw hole. You already have that with the trunk. So if you do buy this and plan to put it on your car with a factory trunk, it'll work with those holes. You're not gonna have to drill anything. As opposed to the ZL1 wing, we had to cover a whole bunch of holes, and then on top of that, drills, I think 6 new ones. So yeah, this is pretty easy. Last step here with our 5-minute install. Jeez, this freaking wicker bill looks insane with the drag pack. But anyways, you have this wicker part, it's plastic, you can adjust it for different types of drag, I suppose, and you have 2 bolts here. So literally one here, and the plastic piece goes on. Just roll this thing out tomorrow, probably take it for some pictures and stuff on the drag pack, and then show you guys like the full final result, because it looks super aggressive and mean. So this already comes tinted. I could wrap it white just for fun, but I think it looks the best in black. And then you can see the final result here. That is super aggressive. It matches up perfectly. I am still redoing that in black. I'm just waiting on the wrap to get here. And yeah, that's super cool. John, let him know how long it took us to do this job.
2 minutes, 22 seconds, and 42 milliseconds.
Yeah, especially because we only put 4 bolts in, but if you put the rest of the bolts in, it probably shouldn't take that much longer. It's a very, very quick install for a very aggressive result.
It's got me slaving away.
You can finally see what this awesome wicker bill looks like. Holy moly. That was a bust. That looks mean. Holy crap, that looks mean. I like that a lot better than the ZL1 wing. Yeah, I thought they were playing chicken, bro. Sheesh. Oh my god, you guys gotta check this wing out from EOS. Definitely made the car look 3 times better. I was also gonna go ahead and paint my calipers. Oh my god, that is close. But the moisture and humidity is completely off, so if I do it, it'll probably run. It's been raining non-stop. I'm gonna go ahead and do one final walk around of this wicker bill. Man, oh man, thank you EOS for sending this out to me. I'm definitely gonna link it down in the description below. This thing looks so nasty. John's wearing the respirator for the fumes. My eyes. To that note, you guys got a quick little, probably 5-minute video as to how you can install a wicker bill on your Camaro. If you all enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
Stop it. If you've made it to this point, that means you're a real one. I want you to go in the comments right now and comment
Wiener 2Es W version 3, okay? And make sure you put everything that I just said in there right now, including this.